Dear listeners and technology enthusiasts, today I present to you a product that will revolutionize your digital experience, the Vibox I gaming PC. Imagine a computer that is not just a tool, but a gaming companion, a personal assistant, and a multimedia center all at once. The Vibox I gaming PC is exactly a concentrate of technology and power, designed to meet your most demanding needs, whether for gaming, work, or entertainment. If you are interested, don't hesitate to click the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours right away. This gaming PC is ideal for demanding gamers and multimedia enthusiasts who seek performance, speed, and graphic quality. It is also an excellent choice for users looking for a versatile computer for work and personal entertainment. Let's start by exploring the impressive features of this PC. At the heart of this computer is the quad-core AMD Ryzen G processor, operating at a speed of 3.6 GHz, capable of reaching up to 4 GHz in turbo mode. This chip is a true gem of performance, offering not only incredible speed but also remarkable efficiency for all your applications and games. Graphics are a crucial element for any gaming PC. Here, the Vibox I gaming PC shines thanks to its integrated Radeon Vega 8 graphics card. This means sharp images, vibrant colors, and a smooth gaming experience. Even in the most demanding games, graphic quality is essential for total immersion. And with this configuration, you will be transported to virtual worlds with stunning reality. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of customer reviews expressing their satisfaction. Memory also plays a fundamental role in a computer's performance. The Vibox I gaming PC is equipped with 16 GB of RAM, ensuring exceptional speed and fluidity. Whether for multitasking or resource-intensive applications, you can easily switch from a game to your work without any slowdown. But what about storage? With a 1 TB SSD, you benefit from colossal storage space while enjoying blazing fast read and write speeds. This means your PC starts up in just a few seconds, games load almost instantly, and the overall system responsiveness is improved. Now let's talk about the screen. The Vibox is delivered with a 22-inch monitor offering a full HD resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels. This size and display quality are ideal for fully enjoying your games, movies, or any other multimedia content. The LED screen ensures optimal brightness and contrast, making every detail visible and every color vibrant. The design and included accessories are equally impressive. The PC features a sleek and modern black aesthetic that will fit perfectly into any workspace or gaming area. The RGB gaming keyboard, RGB gaming mouse, mousepad, and gaming headset included complete the set, providing you with a full experience right out of the box. In addition, the system is equipped with Wi-Fi, allowing for a fast and stable internet connection, which is essential for online gaming or streaming. And let's not forget the Windows 11 operating system, which offers an intuitive user interface and numerous features to enhance your productivity and entertainment. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews showcasing its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1. High performance with its AMD Ryzen 3 processor and Radeon Vega 8 graphics card. The Vibox I gaming PC offers exceptional performance for demanding games and applications. Advantage number 2. Ample memory and storage. 16 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD ensure fast boot times, efficient multitasking, and ample storage. Advantage number 3. Display quality. The 22-inch Full HD screen offers a clear resolution and vibrant colors, enhancing the gaming and multimedia experience. Advantage number 4. Complementary accessories delivered with a keyboard, a gaming mouse, a mousepad, and a headset, which represents excellent value for money. Advantage number 5. Wi-Fi connectivity. It allows for a fast, quick, and reliable internet connection, essential for online gaming and streaming. Now let's move on to the first drawback. Limited storage capacity. Although the SSD capacity is generally sufficient for users storing large amounts of data or games, this capacity can be limiting. In conclusion, the Vibox I gaming PC is not just a computer, it is a gateway. New digital experiences. It's time to take the plunge and discover what modern technology has to offer to order this gaming PC at the best price. To learn more about its incredible features and read the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, simply click on the link in the description. Don't miss this unique opportunity to step into the future of gaming and multimedia. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon